Smartbinz turns waste disposal into a seamless and even inspiring experience when tackling big projects. Imagine quickly transforming your home or work site, knowing that our top-notch dumpster rentals support you every step of the way. Whether diving into a major renovation, orchestrating a construction masterpiece, or simply decluttering to create more space for life's adventures, Smartbinz is your steadfast partner. We provide a variety of dumpster sizes to perfectly fit your unique needs, coupled with hassle-free booking, competitive pricing, and timely delivery and pickup services. With Smartbinz, waste management becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on your project's exciting possibilities rather than the mess. Make your next big project a fantastic journey with Smartbinz. Contact us today at 207-404-1308 or explore our services at www.smartbinz.us. Our friendly, knowledgeable team is here to help you choose the ideal dumpster for your needs, ensuring that your project flows smoothly from start to finish. Whether it's a small home makeover or a grand construction endeavor, Smartbinz provides reliable and efficient waste management solutions. Embrace the convenience and joy of a clutter-free space with Smartbinz. Let us handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on bringing your vision to life.